through most of that, right? So you were still working and then renting cars on Turo, and using that money to buy more assets. You just didn't just hop out when you made your first $700 in profit and leave the industry, right?
Right. Yeah. So I kept my job for a while up until March of 2020, actually. So I had a job up until the pandemic hit, and then I got laid off. But it was just a huge opportunity. It turned out to be a blessing and surprise, because it was a funny story where I'm literally, everybody was sheltering in place. So I'm at my girlfriend's house, and literally the systems on my laptop, they just stopped working. Like I couldn't log into my email. I kept getting kicked out of everything before anyone told me anything. And then I got a call before I could call IT.
Wow.
The director of finance called me. Like, he sounded sad. I'm like, what the hell going on? Because I'm not even thinking that I don't have job security, right? I'm doing good. I just got promoted, and literally let me know that, because of the pandemic, they actually had to close all their hotels because it was a commercial real estate developer focused on only hotels. They had to close everything, and they had just created a new position for me that didn't exist, and I didn't get a chance to prove that that position would be beneficial. So they had to let it go. But that's when I realized that I was really free. I didn't have to go back and work a job.